Hi football fans, and thank you for watching this episode of Cooking with Benoit. Today I will prepare a Super Bowl spicy dip guacamole, soft and strong at the same time. To be honest, I don't know much about American football. You know, in France we're more into soccer or rugby. But I know the NFL Super Bowl is aired on the first Sunday of February. And even then, one needs to eat something, right? Something tasty preferably. What you will need to make a Super Bowl spicy guacamole for 4 is 1 large and ripe avocado, or 2 smaller, 1 medium-sized tomato, 1 garlic clove, the juice of a lime, seasoning, and Tabasco sauce, 1 tablespoon of sour cream, a bunch of tortilla chips. I won't show you how to make a guacamole today because there's already a no-comment 5-minute guacamole video on Cooking with Benoit's channel. If you want to watch it, click on the above corner of this video or check into the description below and find the URL to this video. Once prepared, season your Super Bowl spicy guacamole with Tabasco sauce to taste. You may also want to add washed and chopped jalapeno peppers because some like it hot! Add 1 tablespoon of sour cream and evenly mix. Now you're ready for the game? You know what to drink with that, right? I'm sure you will figure this out. I hope you enjoy watching these videos, so please give a thumb up to show your support. You may also want to comment and let me know what's your favorite guacamole recipe. Maybe it's more, maybe it's less. Well, just let me know, okay? Just comment. Also subscribe to the Cooking with Benoit channel to be notified about all the new videos we will publish. It helps us a lot. Thank you for your help. In the meantime, merci, au revoir et à bientôt.